If you're someone who regularly watches survival shows, you'll know that birch bark is highly prized for its fire-starting properties. It's true that species of birch are commonly found throughout the world, however some areas are much more limited. Utah only has one species of birch, Betula occidentalis, commonly known as the water birch or sometimes the red birch. As the name suggests, it's only found near streams and lakes, and usually at elevations between 5,000 and 8,000 feet. Most of the time in Utah, we'll have to rely on other fire-starting materials than birch, but let me at least show you how to identify it and how to best use it. It grows in clusters of several trunks and can reach up to 46 feet, 14 meters, but is usually no more than 20 feet high. The bark is a dark, coppery red color with white dashed lines running horizontal to the ground. You may notice a few places on the trunk that have peeling bark, but from my experience, it's nothing like other birch species. Some birch species have lots of peeling bark that is very thin. As I'll demonstrate here, I've found more success by ignoring the peeling portions of the bark and going straight to a method I'm going to show you in a second. At first, I started collecting the peeling bark. I shaved it down to create more surface area and tried to catch a spark on it. Apart from some smoldering, this didn't work very well. Next, I scraped my knife on the trunk and collected a powdery gray outer layer. This only smoldered a little as well.
Hunter, no means no, remember?
No means yes. No means yes.
Finally, I learned what works best. First, scrape off the powdery gray layer until the bark is a deep burgundy color. Now scrape the red bark and collect the shavings. They should be this sandy color instead of the gray color shown earlier. This is what will have the most oils. You can see how much better these shavings catch a spark. This method will prove most helpful when you've had a lot of rain and can't find a lot of dry tinder. The oils naturally repel the moisture. This is Derek reminding you you're working too hard. See you next time.